Hey, welcome to another edition of Dragonsteel Mods Unboxing. Today I have a rather exciting product for review. At least it's exciting to me. But, you know, I'm excited easily, so... Anyway, it is the Enermax Aurora wireless aluminum keyboard with laser trackball and mouse keys. This keyboard, brushed aluminum with diamond cut edges. The key switches are the scissor style. It's 2.4 gigahertz RF. You got 7 hotkeys: home, email, search, volume up, down, mute, play, pause. Got left and right key scroll wheel. The trackball resolution is 400, 800, and 1200 dpi. I thought I cut all the tape off. I guess I didn't. Let's adjust our camera. Alright. Alright, there's one side. And there's the other side. Alright, opening it up. What do we have? Oh, we have a product guide. Product guide sheet. I told you about the hotkeys, function keys. This can also act as a media center remote. Okay, in here, now we have padded keyboard. Here's this little pad over top of the keyboard. I see a couple batteries up here, and here is the wireless dongle for connection. It's nice and small. Little tiny USB drive. We got 2 AA batteries. Get this out of here now. Okay. Can't get it out. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Nothing really underneath it. Here's the keyboard. For what it is, it's fairly heavy. It's aluminum after all. I'm not sure if the entire thing is aluminum. Might be actually. Try that side. Okay. No, I think that's plastic. Looks like to me. But here's the keyboard here. It's a very, very nice design. Up here in the corner, we have our trackball. It's like a battery indicator light there. Yeah, across the top, we have our function buttons that I mentioned earlier. We have a scroll wheel. A right and left click for the mouse. As you can see, these keys are labeled in blue. These are the function keys, kind of similar to what you have on your laptop, the FN key. And this is about the size of a standard laptop keyboard, actually, of a bigger one, but we'll see. But we have a MCE here, my TV, my videos, music, pictures, record TV, DVD, forward, back, change the DPI resolution, and insert. It's almost a clicky style. Windows key on the back. Have our battery compartment where our batteries go, of course. We have a reset button, and we have an on-off switch. The keyboard also has little rubber feet on it, so you can sit it down. It is up at an angle, as you can see. So if you have it sitting on a surface, you'll be typing at more of an angle, and you're kind of stuck with that angle because it doesn't adjust. But anyway, this is the new Enermax Aurora wireless keyboard. Supposedly this won the Red Dot Design Award in 2009. It's compatible with Windows 7, of course. That's about it. Let me get it hooked up. I'll play with it, and I'll let you know what it's like. Thanks.